Good girl, Trinity.
Rose. Rosie. Rosie.
Good thing we have you, Trini. Usually when we're here, there's birds that are playing, and they'll play in and out of the fountain.
Uh-huh.
You know, getting there. Oh, there it goes. Maybe. Nope, it just...
Oh, they're probably getting a bath.
Yeah, they get their bath. They get showers.
Yeah.
Showers. Good girl. Oh, Rosie wants that ball.
Girl time. Come on, Trinity, you're not hurt. Come on.
Penny, you're funny.
She won't come out.
Penny, you're funny.
Come on, Penny. You ready to come out, Penny? Come on.
No, we don't need to come out yet.